America is home to incredibly large and deadly mammals. Among them are the mountain lion and various species of bear. These creatures are highly adept at killing prey, and they are each apex predators in their own right. Whenever we have two such deadly animals that live in the same range, we have to wonder what would happen if they came to blows. In this case, how would a mountain lion versus bear fight end? We will break down the statistics about these animals and show you what would happen. For fairness, we will use the information about a grizzly bear and data for a large mountain lion. Let's get to it. The greatest differences between a mountain lion and a bear are their size, morphology, and predatory behavior. Mountain lions are quadrupedal felines that can weigh up to 130 pounds and measure 8 feet long and use predatory ambush techniques. Bears are semi-quadrupedal mammals that can stand on 2 feet, weigh 700 pounds and grow 10 feet long, and are opportunistic predators. These differences will provide us with a baseline to examine the creatures. We'll need to explore other factors to get a better idea of which animal has enough advantages to win a battle against the other. The key factors in a fight between a mountain lion and a bear include typical traits like size and speed. Yet, we also have to consider the offensive prowess of each creature. We're going to look at several factors for each creature, decide which ones have advantages over the others, and make an educated guess about the fight's victor. Mountain lion versus bear. Size. A bear is larger than a mountain lion. The average mountain lion will grow up to 130 pounds, between 5 feet and 8 feet long, and about 2 feet and 3 feet at the shoulder. This pales in comparison with a bear. A bear regularly reaches 400 pounds in weight, 10 feet in length, and between 3 feet and 4 feet at the shoulder. Bears have the size advantage over the mountain lions. Bears are faster than mountain lions. The average speed for bears in the Americas is about 25 to 35 miles per hour. The mountain lion only reaches speeds of about 30 miles per hour. In terms of agility, the mountain lion is superior. The bear has the advantage in speed. Bears have better defenses than mountain lions. This comes in the form of speed, the ability to stand on 2 legs to tower over threats, and thick skin. All these benefits make it a tough animal to approach. Mountain lions have a terrifying scream, aggressiveness, a large size relative to most mammals, and speed to keep them safe. Although these are great defenses, they are not as profound as a bear's defenses. Bears have the advantage in terms of defenses. Bears are powerful creatures that can easily kill their foes. These mammals have a bite force of 975 psi, more than enough to break bones. They use their long teeth to grab prey, their paws to deliver powerful blows, and their 4-inch claws cut deeply into enemies. Their mauling attacks can quickly spell the end of animals, stunning them long enough for the bear to inflict massive damage. The mountain lion also has a strong bite, but it's not nearly as strong as a grizzly bear. It relies on using its 2.5-inch claws to dig into prey and hold them, while the mountain lion goes for a killing strike on the neck or head. In fact, mountain lions will often wrap their forelegs around prey, pin them, and savagely bite them to death. Both animals are very powerful hunters, but the bear has more power behind its attacks. Bears are opportunistic predators and scavengers. They are not ambush predators that lie in wait. They find prey in their range and then attack it to significant effect.